This is Karma has been created with you in mind. It's the first programme of its kind in the UK dedicated to supporting the health and well-being of entrepreneurs on their business journey. So over the 3 modules, we'll explore what it means to manage your well-being in business, what it means to manage the different functionalities of your business with your well-being at the heart of it, and also managing relationships to help take your business to the next level.
Beliefs affect how you think, how you feel, how you behave, and even how you see the world. You can optimise and harness your beliefs so you can achieve what you want and stop standing in your own way.
You will be taken on a step-by-step journey on how to develop your business, identify your talents and niche, build partnerships, and create a scalable business.
I'm going to show you how to simplify social media, get it working for your business so you can generate more sales, more inquiries, and more business.
By the end of this programme, we will ensure that you walk away feeling empowered and have the tools, knowledge and resources that you need to drive your business forward. We really look forward to welcoming you onto the This is Karma programme.